Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to get file name without extension and with extension from complete file path. So whenever you work on any files, then you always get full file path. And if you have a scenario where you have to get only file name, then how can you do that? So in this video I will show you. So before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and please like this video. So here you can see guys, I have 5 PDFs. So whenever you work on any PDF files, we get always the complete file path. So if you want to just get only this file name with file type like that extension or without file type extension, so how can you do that? So let me show you that. Let me take here one assign activity and get file name. So what we have to do, here I have 5 PDF files, so I need to first get all these files from that folder, from that directory. So I am going to take one variable first, that is files, and files means it will have the multiple files names. So I am going to change variable type from a string to array of a string so that it can store all the file names. And here we need to write directory dot get files. I can pass here the static values, hard-coded values, but I am going to get files from this folder on a runtime. So I will write here dot get files, and here I need to pass that path. So in the double quotation I will be putting that. Press OK. So by this way we have extracted all these file names from this folder to this variable, and this is array of string. Now we need to take here for each activity, and then this will be a type string, and this is for each file in files. Now let me just do one thing, write here one write line, and this is for, I am going to write here full file path, and after that I am going to take one more write line so that I can show you that if we are just using this file, this one, so it will give us full file path. Let me run that. So here in the output you will see we have 5 files and it is giving us complete file path. Okay, let me just do one thing here, remove this and paste here, and now you can see here in the proper way. Now you can see here full file path. We have 5 files, and in each files we are getting the complete file path from C drive to the file. Now if we need only file names, then what we have to do, then you can see again we have to take here one assign activity and take here control K, and that is, it will give us file name. So I am going to create one variable that is file name and type is string only. Now here we need to write path dot get file name. Now here you can see we have 2 options, get file name and get file name without extension. So you can see get file name I am going to put here, and then we need to pass here path as a string. It means path means this file path, so we are getting in the file here. And now let me take one assign that write line activity again, so that I can show you that file here. And now let me take here again, copy this one and paste here, and again copy this one, paste here. So let me put here file name. So once we'll assign this only file name, so we'll be assigning to this one. And then now I'm going to take here Control K, and this is file name without extension. And here you can see we can write path.get file name without extension. Now this will be file, and here I am going to write file name without extension. And now you can see here, let me run this. So here in the output you can see we have, this is full path, and then the first one, that is file name, so it is giving us only file name with PDF. And then second is invoice one, that is without extension. So by this way you can get file name from full file path. So I hope it will help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks. Bye.